Hey guys, welcome back to Deer Slayer TV. This week's hunt takes place in Illinois for the 2018 shotgun season with Kyle Irvin.
What's going on, guys? It's Kyle here with Cervicide. It is the second day of the Illinois firearm season. We are sitting here in central Illinois. Had some pretty decent action on this property the last couple days. Been seeing a bunch of does, seen some little bucks chasing still. Just hoping for a bigger one to walk out. Been seeing quite a few spikes and little 6-pointers, so hopefully something a little bigger will walk out today. I was in the middle of getting my camera all set up when I had doe and a fawn walk out together. Doe disappeared shortly after, so I was able to get set up while the fawn was still out there at the other end of the field and get some footage of her walking around. So stick with me and we'll see what happens. Alright, we got it done. Second day Illinois shotgun season. Had a little button buck standing out there for about 20 minutes, and I look up after adjusting the camera, watching him a little bit. Buck came walking out. Had a struggle trying to get the camera on him at first, and then he came walking down the tree line, got real close. I think I bumped my scope or something since I sighted it in. Aimed right behind his shoulder at maybe 70 yards, spined him, so. But he's laying down. He's dead right here. I'll pan over to him for you. Alright, guys. He's laying right up here. Alright, guys, here we are with him. Lucky enough to get it done when there's still some light out, so I can get him gutted with some light. Not have to use my flashlight so much. Makes things a little easier. But glad we got it done today. Second day Illinois shotgun season. Sitting there watching a little button buck, like I said. He was down the field a little ways. And I looked up to the left and saw this guy coming out of the field, coming out of the timber. I just got in give him a little can call. He come in there looking. He cut across the field, came down this little row. As soon as he turned broadside, put the smack on him. Thanks for watching. It's Kyle and you're watching Cervicide.
Kyle, nicely done getting it done from the ground blind. At ground level, it's a totally different experience, really cool. You self-filmed it, awesome job. Guys, Kyle's got a buck tag yet for archery. Illinois is one of those states that you can get a gun tag and you get a buck in archery. So Kyle, good luck in the late archery season. We can't wait to see what footage you got for us then. Thanks for checking out Deer Slayer TV this week. We got another episode coming to you next week. If you haven't, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check us out on Instagram and Facebook. You're watching Cervicide.